Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can convert this image right here into PDF. But first, we want to see what type of image it is. So we're going to right click on it, go down to the word properties. You notice right here is a JPEG, which is GPG. All right, JPG. We're going to close it. Now, what we wanted to do is to use Google Doc to convert that. So you can actually come right here, I click right here down here. And notice, take us directly to the doc. So what we want to select is the blank. Now, when you select the blank, this is what happens. So I have two ways in which I can upload the image here, right here. Right, I can come right here, image. I can also go to tool, right? So I'm going to click right here and insert. Now when I click on insert, if you notice the image right here, I can come right here that said upload. On your computer, when I click, you notice, it take me directly to the desktop. So this is the image. I want to click on it. I'm going to come along right here. Notice it's the cancel. You see open. I'm going to click on the word open. If you notice open, it's actually right here on my Google Doc right here. Yes. But how am I going to get it as PDF? The only thing that you have to do is to come right here to your far right. Notice this is the word file. You're going to click on word file. When you click on your file, you notice it said download. You know, come across here. You show that right here. Download as PDF. Right? So I'm going to click on that. When I click on that, you notice immediately right over here. You show you untitled. Alright, so if I come right here, it should show in folder. Just like that. Notice right up here, I'm going to right click and paste it on the desktop. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to cut right here. I'm going to close this. I'm going to minimize this window right here. And I'm going to paste it right here. So this is right here, the PDF. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to go down. I'm going to open it right here. So I can either open it with Adobe, right? Or Microsoft Edge. And if you notice right here, my photo actually right here in PDF, right here, very important. So this is one I think that I can actually do to convert your photo right into PDF. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.